This tutorial gives you a brief overview of how everything in Jupyter is organized and how to navigate around. Jupyter is entirely cloud-based, which means you use your web browser to access it with nothing to install. Just go to login.jupytered.com in any browser. You can also use a tablet or a smartphone. There is a mobile app available, but it is not in the App or Play stores. Instead, use your mobile browser to go to the login screen, then follow the instructions here to install the mobile app. On the login screen, there are separate login tabs for students, parents, substitutes, and TAs, but those are all covered in separate videos. This video is about the staff login. Each staff member has their own username and password, even if you share a class with another teacher. Click here if you forgot your password or username, or click Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. Once you log in, you'll see the menu bar across the top, like the Post menu, Grades menu, and so on. Click any menu to see more screens. There are separate sections or modes in Jupyter for teachers and administrators. If you are both at your school, you can switch modes by going to the Setup menu and selecting Go to Admin mode. Notice the menus change and it is a different color when you are in admin mode. Click Setup, go to Teacher mode to switch back. Or as a shortcut, you can double-click on Setup to switch between the two modes. If you see a menu item that is dim, that usually means your administrator has restricted access. Your admin sets permissions for who has access to which features at your school. In Teacher mode, you will see the grading period in this top menu. You have a separate gradebook for each grading period, which your admin will set up for you. If you teach at multiple schools, they are also in this menu. Also, all your old gradebooks from past years are here, so you can access prior year's data. You also have access to your classes in this sidebar, so just click here to view your different classes. In admin mode, the menus are different and there is no sidebar. You will see a menu of your schools at the top and a menu for a school year. So these menus control which school and year you are looking at. The Find Student box in the upper right-hand corner is an important part of admin mode. Click this little triangle to see the menus. For example, set the Grade menu to 9th grade to view the 9th graders at your school. Then click a student to see their records. Or to search for a specific student, type their name in the box. Then press Return. Or you can type their ID or email address. As a shortcut, you don't even need to click the search box first. Just start typing and the cursor will go in that search box automatically. In Teacher mode, there is a simpler Find Student box without the menus, which lets you quickly pull up one of your students in your classes. Click Help on any screen to open the Help panel. This shows you basic tips about the screen you're looking at. Click any of the links for more detail. Or click these 4 lines for the table of contents for the full help manual. From here, you can browse topics and watch video tutorials, or you can use the search box. As a shortcut, you can always double-click Help to go straight to the table of contents. Click this person icon to contact us by email for further assistance. You may notice there is no Save button in Jupyter. Everything you enter is saved automatically when you go to another screen or log out. There is a Done button to make it save now and return to a common screen, but that is optional. Some screens also have an Update to save now without leaving the screen. You should click Done or Update before you step away from your computer to ensure your data is saved before your computer goes to sleep. Many screens also have a Revert button. This undoes any changes you made since you opened the screen. Most things on the screen are clickable. For example, you can click any student or any assignment on this screen to open the related screen. And the colored text is clickable too. Some of the column headers can be clicked to sort the list, or click this pop-up menu for more options. You can also click and drag assignments on this screen to rearrange the order manually. Note you can use arrow keys on your keyboard to move from one text box to another, as well as the Tab key or the Return key. Note that clicking your browser back button does not do anything, and clicking refresh may cause you to log out. Jupyter is an app, not a website, so you must use the menus and buttons in Jupyter to navigate around. Of course, security is very important, and Jupyter has many safeguards. You will get an email alert if you log in from a different computer or mobile device, just to make sure it is really you. There are also access logs and ways to undo unauthorized changes, which are covered in detail in the help guide. Please contact us if you have any questions or if you would like to inquire about training for your staff.